Hello, mic check. Okay, that's working. This bot is up. Now I need to configure the other one. Okay, let's start the other stream. I'm trying to do, duplicates. Okay, that can stay as it is. Then this one, this one, this one, this one. Okay, public. I need to make sure I need to set a different stream ID. Where is it? Vertical. Okay. Fine. Now let's begin. छेड़े हम तुम मुझको कि तुम्हें बात. Okay, my streams are up for sure. I'm going to. I do have the chat view of the horizontal screen, but I do not have the vertical. So let's. I will open the vertical stream in this way. Okay. Okay, now let's keep the window open for vertical stream as well. In vertical stream, people, can you hear me? Is it? Let me listen to the sounds. Yep. I'm getting some sound, so that's fine. So this is a major problem. What I have currently is my bot can only handle one stream at a time. Now I'm planning to do multiple streams together. So I was a bit confused, or we can say I would like to stream 2 videos. So this should be it, mostly. I'll open another chat here, and then close all these things. Hi, I cannot really pronounce your name. Whoever you are. Hi. Welcome to the stream. So I was thinking, hey, inside this view, thanks for the like. Need to keep it a little bit closer to me. I was thinking, how can I have my overlay over here? Okay, and inside add chat overlay. Source clone? Probably this is not the one. I was thinking, how can I add the other overlay of the chat? What will you program today? So you see the bot, Relangi Mama, the one which replied to you. That's my bot, fully custom built. I made the bot in Golang and TypeScript. It does a lot more things than you can expect. It's a smart bot. It tracks all your movements, in my live stream, like number of comments you made, how many likes I have, how many commands you have triggered, and you can actually see that in my site. Give me 1 minute. I was just trying to add an overlay, but I couldn't for some reason. Yep, I found it. I'll just have it here. Probably this is fine. Krishna Goda points. Oh, that's not how you do it. Krishna, I'm so sorry. You might need to. Oh, 1 second. I was trying to add this chat overlay for my mobile viewers as well. Looks like this is a bit tricky. Okay. So now let's see. Sorry about that. Okay. So I have a website. If you go to YouTube section, you will see. So this is you, I guess. I don't really know how to pronounce your name. So you have joined the stream today. So that's why you are in the new user section. Yeah, not working in the short live because that's the problem. That's what I'm trying to rethink about my architecture now. So you see, this is you, and you have 4 points, and this is your last message. And I am the complete owner of this database. This is your first stream. This is your last stream. I know the site doesn't look that great. Still work in progress. So in the same way, you can see the other viewers' things. So we can see Jagdeep Singh. He has joined my stream in Jan 2025. He actually joined before that, but my database starts from them. And then this is his first stream. This is the last stream he was seen alive or active in my channel. And you see these. So there are certain commands you can try. If you want to try, you can just try it now. So speak command cost 1 point. Spider-Man cost 101. I think 100. GIF command is cost 5 points. So with GIFs, you can just load whatever GIF you want on my overlay. Try it. It's fun. Which database? I'm using SQLite 3. Everything is running inside my Raspberry Pi 02. I'll show it to you. 1 second. Show my face. What is it called? I kind of forgot. Yeah, files. I got an update in my Android and I can't. They changed the app icons. I don't know why they keep changing those. It should be somewhere here. It's an old. I took it a week ago. 1 second. Yep, definitely not this. Let me go to camera. Where is camera? Camera. I hate it. Ah, finally, camera. Okay. Inside camera, there needs to be my pictures where I took a photo. I don't keep my Raspberry Pi in my room because this room stays relatively hot. So this is my server. I'll move it a little bit to the right. Yep, this one. So it is Raspberry Pi 02 running Raspbian or Raspberry, whatever OS it is, 32-bit. It hosts 5 to 6 servers, and the streaming server is also hosted in this. Yep, I kept it in my restroom. Why? In all the rooms compared to that, restroom stays cool, so I kept it there. So yeah, the problem now what I have is I have designed the application in such a way that so there is one stream happening and the server would listen to that. Now I want to basically handle multiple streams. So now I'm streaming like horizontal and vertical. or long form or short form, whatever it is. So if you want to know your points, you need to type exclamation points. So you can just type exclamation points, Kishore. I thought you know it. You're an old viewer. I think Kishore. Let's see, when did he join? Probably he joined late. Yep, that's so. Kishore, you have 10 points. Yep. Now, so the moment you get 10 points, you will be getting that toast, anyways. So you can use you can trigger the GIF command man now. You can type exclamation GIF, and you can just say whatever GIF you want, and it will show. Hey, 10 points. Welcome to the stream. Harsh Gupta, new to the channel. Welcome to the stream. I would request you to come to my horizontal stream so that I can have you on in my database in this way. I'm not really tracking my what is it called short form videos. So if you can switch to my horizontal form, that will be great. That's the thing I'm trying to work on currently, so that I need two different streams, or 3, 4, whatever it is. All these chat messages will be sent to my server, and it should handle all those. But let's see how many things are working. It is optimized. It's not taking. How to join? You can just open my channel and join the vertical stream. So let me also change the title so that you guys won't be able. You shouldn't be confused which one is which. Yeah, they both have the same exact title. I was way too lazy. Hey Manish, welcome back. Manish has 58 points. So you guys, if you like my stream, something's going to happen. If you're interested, drop a like. And okay, Harsh Gupta is here. And now I'm officially tracking you. You can see here, Harsh Gupta. That's you. That's the one I'm currently working on, right? Thanks for the like. Back to gaming. So planning this one. The Railangi Mama is my bot. This is the code for it. 1 second. The stream assistant. Oh. Thanks for the like. So you can see the stream assistant. This is the entire monorepo, which consists all the code for my backend, frontend, bot, and other things. It can only handle one stream. I didn't really have a plan. I had a plan to stream vertical and horizontal a few months back when I, designed this. But now we might need to upgrade this. So how do I do it? So I'm going to depend on URLs. If I don't pass in a URL, it's going to take the default live URL. I'm using this ergonomic mouse. It's really hard to draw with this. Oh, it's really hard to draw with this. I'll just move to my other mouse. Okay, we can you see the live. So if I give a proper URL, it's going to track that URL or that stream. If not, it's going to go with the live one. In this way, I can give multiple URLs. But how can I give multiple URLs? That means I need to have a backend. Or sorry, a front end for my backend. As of now, it's completely API based communication. It doesn't really have a backend. Front end, but looks like now it needs one. So how can I do this? So this will have all the URLs which I'm supposed to track, and even if I stop my server and start it back again, the URL wouldn't change. Of course, if my stream stops and then I start a new stream, that's a completely different story. So in that way, I would like to, maintain all the data for each different stream. But the challenges are, how can I have an ease of access? I don't want to manually give the URLs for my stream things. I would like to make it easier for myself to start the stream and then get on it with it. I don't want to complicate things. So how can I do it? So before jumping into this, I was testing, is it really worth it to stream vertical, or should I just stay away from vertical, or does it really matter? I was thinking that. noob. If you want to track all those, all you can type exclamation cmds and it's going to show you all the commands. But you can try the gif command. Just type I'll just show it to you. Those redeem points are way too old. I don't really use them anymore. Yeah, that's the thing. So I'll show it to you one second. Yeah, exactly. So you need to use like exclamation gif, but you need to have five points. Let me see how many points I have. I have 5 points. Website logs. Yeah, I have to do it. I have to do it. I have to do it. So let's try a GIF. I don't know if it's working or not. It should work. Did you guys see the GIF? So you can use that in order to show whatever GIF you want. That's one thing. Yeah, you need to have 5 points. I don't know if you have 5 points or not. I think you have it. Yeah, you have it. Yeah, that's fine. In the same way, I'm like trying to do with multiple different live streams, and the data needs to be separated. I don't want, commands list from this stream going to this stream. But the challenges now would be about the side effects of a command. Let's say you are trying to do GIF. Now, how can I, let's say you have triggered this command in one particular stream. I need to only show that in horizontal stream. I don't want to show vertical GIFs in horizontal. That's one challenge I need to fix. But I think it's fine. We can just mix up all the GIFs. I'm using WebSocket anyways. How to farm points? You can just keep texting. That would give you points. There is speak command, there is kiss command, there is Spider-Man. There are other commands you can try. Yeah, Manish, I have to update the list. I'm being like too lazy. Or else you can do it now. But yeah, I need to turn on my Docker. I can do it off stream, no problem. You have 10 points again? How many you had before? Probably you have 15 now. I don't know. Let's see how many points you have now. It should be... You have 10 points, yes. You can turn off the Streamlabs. I'm not using that anyways. So this is the backend from 0 to hero. Yeah. I think the top points, who has the top points? I think it's Jagdeep who has like 1275. When he joins, he's going to spam a lot of... Oh, Jagdeep has sent I think, yeah, he has 459 points, but he's totally sent like 1275 messages. In the same way, you have sent me 16 messages, but because you have used the GIF command, you'll only have like 11 points. I'm actually tracking your first message as well, but I haven't updated it to show that first message. So let's do it. No? Why? Okay. So inside bot. You can see I have 2 more. I don't need this chat GIF for now. So this is the architecture. It's really simple. Instead of saving it to 1 per stream, I need to maintain an interface which basically stores URL as well as the data. User database is going to be the same. If you go back to that like vertical stream and send a message, and if you, I don't want to distract you, but I will write randomly to farm points. Okay, no problem. No problem. You can use the speak command. It basically costs 0. You can try it. It won't increase your points, but you can keep using it. If you want to use it, then try exclamation speak space something. How many years of experience? I'm 3 to 4 years. I was thinking like to maintain like where. First, let us design an interface or struct. Let's say stream data. So this will have a video link exactly, and then likes. Yeah, likes, and then viewers. Command last used map. Here is the deal. Did you find anything, Harsha? Finally for your PC. Max likes, yes. Should congratulate. I don't know whether to should congratulate or not. Maybe we can have it. Previous likes, yes. Previous, I don't think I need previous. So each time I'm getting a message, I'm comparing whether it's. Oh, should congratulate is for likes, I guess. So post take messages. So inside messages, I need to now segregate between like each video. I might need to do a lot of testing for this. Yeah, a lot of testing. And you guys might lose your data if I don't do it properly. So thinking. Imagine I have 2 streams. How does it know which stream to look for? I don't really want to give the video IDs myself. That would just waste my time. What if I give it some way? Can I do it? I think I need to update the database as well to create. Where is the database? Database. Yeah, this is the user table. Now I'm going to create stream table to track stream info. So this is going to be a persistent data. This is not going to stay away always in my database. It's going to get deleted the moment I stop my stream. It's going to get deleted. So create table if not exists stream. Okay, something like this, and then if execute. Okay. So video link is going to be a text likes. Yeah. Viewers, I don't know what exactly this is. This is max likes. Should congratulate. Previous like. Do I have it? Yeah, I don't know if the GIF is working or not. If you guys have to tell me. I didn't really test it myself. It looks like it's working. RTX 5070 Ti OC for 800. Okay, $850, $860. Ryzen 7 7700X Gigabyte B650 Gaming X. Make sure it has Wi-Fi 6 or 7 at least. 32 GB RAM. Zing. Corsair 850 watt. Okay, mono hypertext flow AIO. 80X case. 5 fans. All comes up to before tax in Micro Center. With all that, you will be having 1800 with tax. If you're fine with it, you don't have to spend that much money on a cooler. You're buying a Ryzen CPU, you can buy this one. Like $33 cooler, it works fine. You're not in India anymore. So in US, you don't really get that high temperatures. So don't spend that much money. How much is the Monotech Hyper Flow? How much is this? Oh, what is the cost of this? 89. So you could save $50 if you can go with an air cooler, which is of, like, I don't know what is the name of it. It's Premius SE120 CPU fan. It's an air cooler. Don't underestimate that. This is the one. It is basically the cheapest air cooler you can find on Amazon. It is It is going for like $32, $33. You can see. So this one actually gives you a lot better cooling than many high-end. Even this one beats Noctua D5, which is known to be like a king in the air cooler system. So of course, with AIO, you may be getting 40 degrees. With this, you are getting 50 degrees. But it doesn't really matter because until 90 or 95, you won't be getting any thermal throttle. You could have saved. You can save some money by going with this. It's suppose AM5, AM4, all the CPUs anyways. If you want to see about it, you can just go to YouTube and see how it really performs. Oh, Dallas with, I think you, okay. So yeah, if you can, sorry, if you can afford it, then yeah, go ahead. You don't really need my opinion on it. That's a good PC. You can definitely go buy it. But you still have to buy a monitor. You still have to buy keyboard, mouse, mouse pad. You have a desk. And don't cheap out in the monitor because you don't really switch monitors too often. I'm still using the same $98 monitor which I got after I came to US. I wish I could have spent at least 120 or 130 so that I could get a better monitor than this. It is a fine monitor, but it's cheaper one. So options are yours. You're slowly crossing like 300 to 400 margin. So if you already have a monitor, keyboard, mouse, then it's fine. If not, think about it. So should congratulate for that particular stream. These are the stats. No way I'll get a cheaper monitor for this PC specs. No way I'll get a. Oh, you're saying you will get a better monitor then? Okay, that's fine. So is monitor included in that budget or is it outside that budget? Get a good monitor, bro. IPS, whatever you get IPS. 27, 1440p. These three needs to be there. If not, the PC you're getting, it's not really that worth it. Don't go for VGA or TN panel. Go for IPS. And don't go for like overclocked 165 Hz. Go for pure 165 Hz. The moment you turn on 165 on an overclocked monitor, you will notice the differences in the colors. That's not what happens in my monitor. It's a good monitor. It's like pure 165 Hz. But I'm talking about like 180 Hz, 200 Hz. They try to overclock the monitor panel by for giving more FPS. Because of that, you will lose color quality. Yep, that's the thing. So now we can proceed to the next one. Is it even worth it to stream vertical these days? Or should I just ignore? So coming to this side, so we can see previous should congratulate. These are the stats for basically each stream. I think this is for like welcome users. Okay. Samsung Odyssey 34-inch G5 1. Dude, either you are way too rich or oh, it's a curved screen, 165 Hz. It's basically more than 2K. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, if you can afford it, of course, go for it, man. I'm looking at the panel. Hey, did they say IPS? I think it's freezing. That's fine. I let multiple ports. Did I see IPS in it? Samsung panels give me headache for some reason. LG, Dell, they are fine panels for me. Hey, this is a VA monitor. Don't go for it. I hate VA monitors. Don't go for it. Go for IPS. Whatever you do, go for IPS. Unless you are immune to VA panels, it's up to you. I wouldn't buy a VA panel even if someone gave it for free. Then that wouldn't be buying. It's just, yeah, I won't be using VA panel if someone gave it for free as well. Well, let's say, well, I think I have that thing somewhere. Connections, chat messages, user database queue. What is that? The messages? No. Oh, users. Yes. So we can use same users for two different platforms. I think that's fine. We don't have to worry about this user coming back to the other user. So user can stay the same. So for each video, this should be it. Stats. Going to be stat. Hey, why is it not loading? I have the model. It says stat utils dot stat. Okay. So for each stream, we will have these stats. Other than these, we have to I don't think we have to maintain a different data arrays for two different streams, like commands list example. It should be fine. Now the thing is which stream we need to reply for. Based on that, we need to decide which one is happening. This is the stream data, and now what else? So process message queue. This has nothing to do with what we are doing. I'm removing these if conditions. We don't need that anymore. Command user points, and then we see the trigger send message to YouTube. This one is really critical. Once I receive the message, do I need to open these forever? That's the URL. And once I receive the message, I need to know which browser to choose for. I cannot just choose a random browser. I need to choose which one is it. Which I'm looking. I think your monitor needs to change, in my opinion, but it's up to you. Hey, you're spending like $300, man, for a monitor. Why would you go for a VA panel? Get an IPS. You won't notice much difference for 1 ms and like 3 ms. Your graphic card itself will take 7 ms and you wouldn't really notice it. So why are you going for a VA panel? Again, my opinion, it's up to you. Refill my water. I was thinking, instead of using SQLite for my streams data, which I don't need to sync, which I don't need to have a copy of in the cloud or something, I'm not worried if I lose the data as well. So why not just maintain a pure JSON like database? Pure Go JSON single file database. Do we have its installation in usage? db.cache, stream stats. Simple JSON DB. Is this the one? No. Where is the repository for this? Get all, create, delete. What is length? Probably the length one. db collection strings. Okay, let's try it. Read me. Quick JSON documentation. I need pure Go. Is it written in pure Go or is it something else? Okay, this seems. Why are these even less popular? Okay. Provides a quick file-based database which helps you to store the JSON file-based data along with the key and base search. Okay, collection 1, collection 2. Simple JSON DB function main simple JSON.new database 1 println database created, and then in the collection we do use this. Fetching all records from the database, getting one record from a collection, get. Okay, record key 2. Okay, and then hey, what is T inside here? Did we define T somewhere? I don't see this T at all. Where is this T2? Okay, T2 is defined here. That means T. Okay, this is the collection. Acer Nitro 34 inch 1000R 21:9 curved 0 frame QHD. Where is the specifications for this? One 120 hertz. Are you fine with 120 hertz? Go for 165, man. Go for 165. In Apex, you would easily get 200, 250. So there is an advantage. So go for 165 hertz. Do you really need curved? I mean, yeah, if you need it, then up to you. Where are you located? From Tennessee, US. Welcome to the stream. You seem new. Ritu Parna Varvatkar. I'm going to call you Ritu Purna. Ritu Parna, sorry. I'm going to call you Ritu. So, yeah, I'm currently in Tennessee, US. That's the reason you would see a different time. Show my face. Right here. Back to gaming. Just Google. Yeah, of course. You seem kind of important, I guess. Ritu Varvatkar. Gaming. I thought you were coding. I am coding. I was just helping my friend to pick a PC and stuff like that. Made by Ritu. I build EC2. Hey, that's a nice website. It's like there, yet another noob in the professional world. Software engineer at Amazon, Berlin, Germany. Damn. Accelerated Nitro platforms. Well, that's a good site. Pretty straightforward. This one word is enough for you. You don't really have to put much in your platforms when you work for Amazon, Google, or stuff like those. That's fine. That one word is enough for you. Yep. Good for you. We are doing programming, my friend. Lexiar. Welcome to the stream. You seem new to the channel. There are a lot of cool stuff you can do. If you like my stream, something's going to happen. I'm currently working on my bot, Relangi Mama. It is the bot which handles almost everything in my stream. It is fully custom made in Go and TypeScript. It knows new people like you and also new people like you have joined my stream, the number of messages you send, what is the last message or first message. There are a lot of things it handles, and I keep a complete hold of my database. The problem which I have right now is it can only handle one stream at a time. It was designed like 6 months ago. It cannot handle 2 different streams. That's the thing I'm trying to implement, so that in future or from today, I'll be streaming vertical and horizontal, or you can say long form, short form, or you can say 16:9, 9:16, whatever it is. So I'm, instead of using like one live stream, I'm going to depend on URL based. So that means I need to segregate my data in different types now. So the only challenge I have is ease of access and handling messages, like responding. Of course, Relangi Mama, the bot, responds to the messages. I was thinking, how can I respond if it doesn't really know which one to respond for? So I need to provide URLs. Of the meaning when I say URL is the video ID which YouTube has for my live streams. So if you're not aware of it, if you go to YouTube, you would be seeing my stream. Oh, not this one. This is my stream. This one. So you see the one above it. This is the ID. So I would need, based on this ID, it needs to respond to it. But how can I pass in the ID? I was trying to find a simpler way to pass in the ID without complicating or spending hours on creating a front end, an input box, or stuff like those. It should be easy. How can I do it? And I'm not using YouTube API for anything because that is expensive and I don't want to spend any money on it. I was thinking, what is the best way to tell my server that, hey, you need to track these two URLs? Yeah. Okay, Asus TF 34-inch curved gaming monitor, 165 at one extremely low motion blur FreeSync premium. What panel is it? What panel is it? Push from YouTube. Well, I don't want to do copy pasting things because I have 3 devices. I have a Raspberry Pi, which basically runs my server. I have my streaming PC and I have my gaming PC. I only have one keyboard and mouse. I don't want to remote into my desktop, my streaming PC, and then like open the Chrome again to copy paste it. It's a tedious thing. I already have a bunch of stuff I need to turn on before I go to stream. Before I start my stream. I don't want to add few more into that. Why? Because this has happened a lot to me where I don't stream for like 2 to 3 days and I forget the next day when I try to stream, I forget turning on a server. I forget turning on some other application. I don't want those things. I want that to be automatic. So previously I have faced the same issue. I tried to solve it with YouTube API, where I fetch it, I give my token and I get a response like, hey, how many streams I have. But they have changed the previous code I had. It's not working anymore because they changed their terms and conditions. I need to upgrade those. I need to get my tokens again. Is there any other way? This is the max thing I can do. When I start my stream or when I'm about to start my stream, of course I'm going to change the title, the thumbnail. So I can have my YouTube IDs with me in gaming PC. Again, I don't want to create a front end for my server, input my IDs into my server. That would be a very good idea, but I don't want to implement all those things. Or, oh, my bad. I was just thinking about ideas like how can I do this. That's one key point which is important for me. And the next thing is responding to that messages. Even that needs that should be simple. It's just I can like deploy 2 different servers in one in the gaming PC, one in the streaming PC, but I need to turn them on separately. Yeah, I just don't know. And the other thing is my server doesn't really know which one to track for. All it listens for is the URL ID and the stats. There is another bot which runs in my gaming PC. We can see right this one. So this is the one actually is getting what's happening in my stream. There are 3 different segments. What's happening? Raspberry Pi processes the changes, the likes and stuff like those. And the next thing is the streaming PC, which takes inputs from the Raspberry Pi and does whatever things it has. Go use a Go HTTP API to accept new stream URLs. That's one thing. So, okay, I might need to give you a bit of backstory. I don't touch my server. It stays up all the time. I don't send any post. Personally, I wouldn't send anything. There is a bot application which turns on. This is an executable file which I generated using Golang. It basically turns on, requests this URL, I guess. Basically, we have a template URL. If you open your YouTube ID and then press live, it would directly take you to the whatever live stream you are doing in your channel. It only works when you have 1 live. If you have 2, it won't work. So that's the reason I don't have to give my YouTube ID, or sorry, the video ID to my server. It would just, this bot would get the ID from the URL. Once this is changed to the actual YouTube link, I can just fetch it from the whatever the URL we have. That's the way I'm doing it. But now this won't work. So I need to give this bot a way to, hey, you need this bot, you need to listen to stream 1. And there is another bot, hey, you need to listen to stream 2. Isn't OAuth free? OAuth for login is free. Yeah, basically OAuth is free. You're creating a token, stuff like that, that is free. But in order to read, I think I have like 5,000 tokens for free. And then it's gone. I think 5,000 tokens for Google Drive. This is the thing, I'm too outdated for Google Drive YouTube API, and I don't really want to use it. Why? I can do it without YouTube API. That's these are like small challenges I want to do. And then I tried to put AI into my Relangi Mama. It was working absolutely fine. Then I realized when I'm getting too many messages previously, I wasn't able to play the game because most of my GPU was being used for the AI processing instead of me playing the game. So I was running Olama Gamma 3 4B, I guess. There was 8B and 4B. So I dropped that idea too. Relangi Mama is just a smart bot. It's not an AI bot. So how many points do you guys have? You guys can try the commands which I worked on. There is pick command, there is gif command. Previously there used to be another commands where you can control what appears on my face. You can put filters, but that damn application was taking 40 to 50% of my CPU resources. And due to that, my stream would lag. I was like, okay, let's drop the idea. It's not professional anyways. Some people liked it, some people like, hey, it's a bit distracting. So I just removed it. Okay, what am I doing? Yeah, so how can I tell this bot? This bot is not a server. This is just a bot. How can I tell it to open this one? Hey, open this URL. All I want to do is double click. That's it. All I want to do is just double click this exe file, and it should know, okay, I need to track 3 or 4 or 5 or 2 APIs or streams. And it also need to know that, hey, there is another bot running for this URL. So that means this bot needs to listen to the other one. How can I do it? I was thinking, what will I get if I use if I go to my channel and press live, which live stream would I get? This is my channel, and if I go press live, I think I'm probably getting the vertical stream. Okay. Let's say I have a place where I have 2 URLs. I just post them, hey, I have 2 URLs. How would my bot know which URL to track for? I think I need to change my architecture now. I cannot come up with another solution. So my server will have all the URLs which I'm supposed to track. When a bot, spins up, it would pick a URL from this. And basically, if it sees multiple URLs, it is going to open multiple different sessions of itself at the same time, so that each bot can track its own changes. But I need to have a way to input the URLs to my server. And how can I delete those URLs? Once I'm done with the stream, I don't want to manually call the APIs and delete it. Hope there are easier ways to do that, but how can I do it? Or I can write a small logic where bot sessions would also open the older URLs and would see whether the live stream ended or not. If it's ended, it would close that session and also send a request to the server that, hey, this link is expired. So that could just delete the link along with its data. That's one use case. I just want it to be fully automatic, not Might not be fully automatic, but as automatic as possible. I don't want to me doing all the manual stuff. So let's try this. First, let's pick a single file-based JSON database for Go. I would like to have a pure Go version instead of GCC or stuff like that. GCC. That is awesome. Go. There is something simple file-based. Okay. Local JSON-based storage for us with SQL inspired. Why would a JSON-based storage with SQL inspired? George.open George. Okay, I understand. Oh, why? This seems a good. Yeah, this was decent. 11 stars. August 13. Very recently. I think for my use, it could be basic evaluation of a where condition, instant statement, insert statement, create statement, select. Oh, this is like SQL kind of thing. So let's move away from this. What is this one? Go JSON DB. 2 years ago again. 25 stars. Seems fine. This is a lightweight, easily manageable, and beginner-friendly implementation of database that anyone can implement directly in the local system. It provides the database API to perform pretty much every operation that one can perform in a traditional database. The aim is to be a worthy contender in the choice of database for small and medium use cases. That's it. Okay, and we have a document. Okay, examples. Main.go. See DiceDB. I have come up with that. The problem with DiceDB is I think DiceDB doesn't have single file. This is an in memory. I think I need an. So let's give you my requirements. What do I need? I need a single one file based database, and then it shouldn't be NoSQL or JSON. I'm using this ergonomic mouse. Can't really draw much prettier than this. So one is a file-based database, NoSQL, and there should be a support for ARM-based chips, ARM 7v3. This is the processor which I'm running in my Raspberry Pi. If these things are not supported, then it won't work for me. DiceDB, I think I heard about it. I was trying to use this before, but this was not supported for a lot of other CPU architectures. Why are everything is being read only, and that too in 2025? Why? What's happening? And I want pure Go. I think DiceDB is pure Go. Yeah, let's try write this one. Pure Go. Go only. I don't want GCC. No, I don't want cross compiling like C, C++ libraries added to Go. It's not needed. What are the other things? It's reactive, fast, simple, open source. I think I know about this, but there is a reason I didn't really use this for my use case. Firstly, it's a Docker setup. Then it's a database kind of a server thing, which is a good thing for like bigger projects, but for mine, it's not really needed. It takes me like an hour or two to basically come up with my own, but it won't be having like an index or stuff like those. Why would I waste my time? Pure storage, FA files lab. Something like SQLite. Yes, I'm already using SQLite 3. It's a pure Go implementation. It's just I do not want. Maybe I can just reuse it. Yeah, yeah, I will just reuse the SQLite Go itself. I don't want to have pure issues. So what I'm currently doing is, like I said, I don't have a fixed structure yet. Even after like 9 months of the same application, I don't have a fixed structure. So what I'm doing is, in order to maintain performance, you can even challenge me with this. I'm using SQLite database, but I'm storing JSON into the value. So the key is going to be, or the primary number, key, whatever it is going to be your user ID. It should be like a 16 digits number, I guess. And it will store user stats. So you see all these stats. Along with this, there are a few more which I'm not showing. Will be stored in JSON, but it's not a text-based JSON. It will be stored. It will be converted to bytes array, and I'm storing that. So you might be thinking this is a controversial thing. Why would you store JSON inside SQL? But this is the best optimal solution I have. I don't want to run a MongoDB or some other NoSQL open source servers in my Raspberry Pi. It's a what 486 megabytes of a server. It is fast, but it stays. So I'm using bytes array so that it's not that process resource hungry. Golang handles this quite fast, so it's easy for him. And the other thing, you might be thinking, well, how long does it take to fetch one row? Because I'm using the ID anyways, the user ID. All I'm doing is fetch that ID, update it. That's it. I'm not searching for your ID. I'm not getting all your IDs or stuff like that. It's just, okay, get this user with this ID, get the data, and then if you send any message, I'm going to, of course, save the data. It should be like what, simple operations, not too complicated. Yeah, basically let's do that. Let's do the exact same. So this one should be stream database, and of course I need to change a lot. So DB instead of DB, it needs to be SDB. Instead of user, it needs to be stream, and inside stream there needs to be video ID, I think. Yeah, video link, that should be a string, and then it should be data stat. The rest of the things not needed. I don't need all. Oh, I need these functions, but I can use them from the other one. It's totally fine. Oh, do we have function overloading in Go? It's a functional based language. I don't think we have it. Oh no, in Golang. Hey, white. Okay. This is a function. This is not supported in Go. Okay. How to mimic functions? Yeah, there is an ad. Okay, basically we take what? Define verdict function. What does it mean? Can take a variable name of arguments, which can be used to mimic function overloading. Okay, it takes int and float. Does it understand that int is not a float? Okay, that's fine. Output. Okay, now what? So print value if it's okay. That's how I need to define it then. Okay. If it's of type int, string, and float. Okay. I don't hate this language. So we don't need this. This is already there. So database connection. We can say stream database connection, and this will have stream DB. And what it does, it's instead of user, it's going to just maintain this one. And get user by ID. I don't need this. It says get stream by ID. It should be taking stream ID. And what is this one? Should be stream data. Yes, video link and along with the data. Okay. So select you. What is the table name? These are the problems I hate. Okay, it's fine. Stream. So table name is stream. So can I create like const stream table equals to stream? And the only problem is I need to do a concatenation for different times. There is no easy way to concat this. Select user JSON, or we can say stats. Oh, it should be data, isn't it? It should be data, yes. Oh, this is how it stores. I don't think I'm saving in this way. Create stream. Yeah, I'm not saving this in this way. I save the JSON, yes. Okay, and then create table if not extreme. Okay, it should just say video link, or we can say stream ID. We'll also name it to stream ID. Let's have some consistency. And inside stream ID, this is the one we have. Then select data. Is it data? Yes, it is data. From where? Stream ID. So it's going to be stream ID. Okay. Now it will get something. It process scan and then returns stream data. Why does it have in this way? Struct. User JSON. Okay, and it should return a user. Oh. Thanks for the like. Whoever liked my stream, thank you so much. Get stream by ID. And then for var, it's... Hey, what is user and user? Okay, it's stream data. No. It's stream object. It's going to be... What was it? It's stream data. Okay. For data, it's going to be byte array or something like that. It's fine. So user JSON, it should be of this type, and the other one, user, needs to be of this type. It needs to be of data, and then it should be of this type. It should be of this type. Perfecto. Insert stream. What was it? Insert stream data. How can we update now? I think update might take a little bit time, I guess. Yeah. Update user. Yeah, it's fine. So insert stream data, what is it getting? It's getting that, basically. And it should return the updated stream data. If it also an error, if it gets it. Command stats. I don't need this command stats anymore because we don't do that. So remove it. So it's going to add. Of course, it's going to add a stream ID, and it's going to add stats dot likes. Viewers max likes should congratulate. I don't even know what the meaning of previous likes. I probably did something that there's no stream ID and previous like. Okay, let's add it then. Previous likes, or stream ID and previous likes. Oh, I already have it. And then why was it complaining when I already have it? Okay, get by ID, then insert user. To get user by ID, that's not the one. This is the one. So this one is done. User should congratulate. This should be done. Cannot use to type bool. Okay, I need to have in a proper type then. Okay. What do I have here? So it is likes and then previous likes. So that needs to go up. Is that the only like? Previous likes, viewers, max likes should congratulate. Okay. Insert stat. Oh, just change all these. What does it say? Redeclared in the block. Where? It's not there. I don't know what it's trying to say. Oh, we need to have the user data. Okay. I would get the stat and execute insert or replace into users. Instead of this one, it needs to be stream, I guess. Was that a table name? Stream, okay. Stream, okay, nice. And then inside stream, it needs to insert. This should be Sai Ram Verma. Hey, thanks for the sub, man. Thank you so much. Thanks. Welcome to the stream. If you're watching for too long, just let me know. How do you feel? Give me a feedback. If you don't like anything, just let me know. I can fix it. I would request you to send a message so that my bot can have you on the record that you have joined this stream. Just send like a full stop if you're too shy for it. So insert into stream, and what is the other one? Stream data, I guess. Oh, not you, Ritu, the other person, Sai Ram Verma. I want that person to send a message. If not, my bot would know that he is here. Unless he sends a message, I can't really do anything. What is the other? This is a primary key. Oh, I didn't really name anything yet. Data. So yeah, that's the name. Okay. This is the data, and then we have the data. We need to execute inner stat dot user ID. Oh, the user ID, okay, stream ID, and the data is going to be insert stat. Construct user struct to a JSON. Whoa. Hey, what was it before? It should be a JSON here. Then it should save that one. Error could be of type, yeah, string. Okay. This is fine, but I'm just a little bit worried. Should I? What am I trying to save? And then update user. Yeah, this is where the challenge comes up. So stat. What are all the other things I have? Hi, bro. What are you building from code? Hey, Sai Verma, you're in the other stream. Oh, yeah, I understand. You might want to come to my long form or the horizontal stream so that I can have you on my record. Anyways, thanks for the sub. I was talking to you. I was just I'm still coding. Upgrade to my chatbot. You don't see that chatbot in the vertical stream. The chatbot is active in the other stream. If you want to explore it, just come to my channel and you can see the long form video. Just watch that instead. That's the only way I can do. But if not, you should be seeing my stream in this way. I don't think this is the right one. So there should be. I don't know which one is it. I think this is the one. Yep. So you should be seeing this chatbot. Could you tell us about yourself? About myself? I'm not an Amazon. I'm not an Amazon dev or myself. There's nothing about me much often. I work for an insurance firm in US. Work-life balance is great. Pay is not that much great, but it's fine. It's a stable. It's fine for me. So let's try. Yeah, nothing much. Hey, you're back here. Welcome to stream, man. So now the bot knows. You see the Relangi Mama? That's my bot. So now it knows that you are in my channel, and I can happily track you in this way. So Sai Varma. Oh, did you get a breakup or what? You don't have a profile picture. I'm back, bruh. So this was the reason from I was asking you to send a message. Now you can go back to vertical or you can watch in here. It's totally fine. So what am I doing? You see that bot Relangi Mama that handles everything in my stream regarding the users thing and also my stream stuff. It handles the commands. There are cool commands you can try: GIF, speak, kiss, Spider-Man, some other more I might be adding in the future. So yeah, you can just ask it the commands. You can get my social stuff like those. You can get it. So all this thing is controlled by that Relangi Mama, written in Golang and TypeScript. Yeah. Previously there were other commands, but those are all deprecated right now. Do you work as a software engineer? Yes, I'm a full stack dev working for an insurance. I deal with front-end Angular, backend Python, Node.js, and Java, and cloud services AWS. Mostly Lambda and Docker instances, EC2, and what else? I just moved 15 repositories in this 2 days. Code commit was deprecated, so we moved code from code commit to GitHub. I just did that. Yeah, basically full stack dev. See, you're an Amazon person. There is nothing for me to tell to you. You should be telling it to me. Oh, it's Berlin. Oh, really? Well, for my company, the moment you log into my portal, all of thing is what I worked on. So I can't really name my company because it's not Amazon. It's not that big of a company. It's a good company. It's fine. So after the login page, whatever you see has my hand in it. Not even my hand. It's just I'm the one who solely worked on all those components. Then I moved out from front end part because it's an insurance company where you don't really change things too often. We are now moving to we are currently working with backends related to payments and reserves. So first for 1 to 2 months we work on the backend. Once those testings are done, we give the demo hey, this is how stop payment works, this is how reserves work, these are all how payments are go through. How many years of experience? Probably 3 to 4 years. We can say 3. I don't want to consider 2025. Yeah, 3 years. Update user. What was I doing? Yeah, replace or insert into this one. Values this one. Yes. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. And then update. Why do I need to update the stats? Yeah, let's update it. So based on what? Based on user ID. Stream ID, and it should be based on stream ID. I really enjoyed when AWS provided the VS Code stuff. Have you worked on it? Where the lambdas we can directly code in VS Code in the browser itself. I loved it. That's the only thing which I enjoyed. The rest of the time, I don't really understand why was the CloudWatch option moved from one place to another place. It took me 10 minutes to find that stupid button. There was absolutely no reason to move it. It was perfect before, where I write my code and I just move my cursor a little bit to the right and just press it. Now it was moved to somewhere in a different menu. They want us to open CloudWatch in a separate window and then search for the Lambda, when I can just write the code right there in the Lambda browser, tab, and press that one button directly, and it was taking me to that CloudWatch for that Lambda for the same region. But I really like the VS Code thing. It saved me a lot of time. Previously, it was writing on a notepad. It was like writing on a notepad where I had to write in my VS Code first and then copy the code and paste it in the browser. It would mess up the formatting and all stuff. But now it's like a fully VS Code inside the browser. That one thing I really like. Yeah, rest of the stuff it's fine. Again, it's AWS. The more they change is the borders. Previously there was a bit boxy borders, but now it has like more rounded borders, or we can say rounded edges. I'm not really much of a UI person. We can see I I what is it called? I make the functionality work and I then move to the next feature. Okay, what I was doing, yeah, stream ID, and it should be something like string, and then user, not user, it should be stat, which has this type. It would return a stat with the updated one, and then if it's not null, yeah, this is not needed. Command call, not needed. Final cost, not needed. I work on the EC2 hypervisor, not a web developer. Okay. I'm a full stack dev, but I don't really work on lower level stuff. I don't know. Good for you. What was it? Okay, I have the stats, so I was thinking to either update it here or in the front end. I think I need to get it from the front end itself. Yeah, I need to get it from the front end. So stat, what does it needs to have? Remove all these. Hey, finally 5 lakhs. Celebrate. I'm not a C, C++ or Rust kind of a person myself. I'm not really, I'm fine with anything, to be honest. It's just, I don't know. I never really thought about it lower level. I tinker with browsers. I did write my own minor CLIs for AWS stupid SSO login, which could take minutes for me. But those are at max like PowerShell scripts. Other than that, I didn't really go much deeper into this. There is a reason I'm using Go instead of Rust. So what I need to do is I need to just convert the stats into data.json and then return this one stats. Was it updated users before? Yes, so wherever I see updated user, I am going to change it. And then user JSON needs to be changed to data.json. Oh, my bad. And this needs to be inside here. Stat.stream_id. Hey, 6 likes. Thank you so much. Thank you. Check if user exists. What is the need for that? Am I using this function somewhere? No. So this is absolutely not needed. And then delete. Okay. Important. Delete stream data. What it needs to do is it needs to get the stream ID and then delete the stream ID where they are. Perfectly. That's it. Close DB. 7 likes, man. Thank you so much. Whoever liked my stream, thank you so much. If you're new to my channel, just drop a comment so that I can know that you have joined my stream and it's you that who liked the stream. Print all streams data. This should be pretty straightforward. Select stream ID and user ID from stream. Done. And then iterate over the next row. It should be string and bytes. Yes. I don't have to worry about this much often. I can just write this one. Go dump.user. Oh, definitely it's going to be of type stat, and it should. We are closer to 10 likes. If it's doable, just do it. I used to get a good viewer base, at least. Hey, one more like to 10. I need to have few more dance steps for likes. Yeah. Even I'm feeling bored for those. So user stats, JSON, Marshall, that's fine. And then this one. Yeah, most of the thing is fine. It's definitely bytes data, and then it's going to convert into the user, and it's going to take the stats. The variable name should have been changed, but I'm too lazy for it. I'll ignore it. And then get all users. Hey, isn't it the same? It all streams data, and what it needs to do is close. Okay, select stream ID and data from stream. Yes, and then whatever it is. Dot. Was that you who liked my stream again? The animation would not react if you dislike and like it back. Previously, I had an animation. Hey, where is Mama today? AB, welcome back. You are in my vertical stream. That is where I'm working on. You want to come to my horizontal stream, man? So my Relangi Mama is getting an upgrade soon. Hopefully, you know my consistency. Once that is launched, Relangi Mama can handle multiple streams. Yes. That is the thing I'm currently working on. Welcome back, AB. Welcome back. I need to move this microphone very slowly. Or else, if you guys can hear it fine, I'm not going to move it. I was thinking like my microphone is way too down. If you can hear it, I don't mind. So this was a migration code. I have migrated it successfully. No need. Oh, but I still want it just in case if I have to change it in the future. The user data, it's that. So far so good. So now the states, hey, what is this one? Oh. Okay, it will have each stream. Okay, it's going to be stream data. And append user. User is going to be what? Hey, what was I storing inside? See user. User will have all these. It's 4:30 in the morning here. I must sleep. Bye. Hey, yeah. Thanks for joining. Hope you had good day, good night. Get good sleep. Have a peaceful tomorrow. Obviously, it's going to be an array of stream data. I think this is the one. Yes. And inside stream data, I think I completely messed it up. No. Oh, I think I did. There shouldn't be. Yeah, there shouldn't be. My fault. So data shouldn't be a stat. It needs to be directly a stat. You're also starting stream. Are you like also streaming, or you're about to start like streaming for the first time? Yeah, when you're finally starting the stream, you can just drop your link in Discord. Let me see how Amazon people were actually streaming. So yeah, I don't need this exactly. First time, it's fine. So it needs to be stat. Hey, what did I change here? Get stream by ID. The moment I need to return stream data. Yeah, I was creating like nested information, which is absolutely not needed. Now things are clear. Now things are clear. Stat, and then we return the users. What am I doing? Yep, it should be stat. So far so good. Yeah, now what? Okay, now where is the main function? Right here, and database. Okay, inside here we need to write utils stream connection. That's it. Now the database should be up. We should be seeing a file stream database. Ting ting. So I can get the stream URLs directly from somewhere. I need to store the URLs myself in this collection. So time to create an API. This is already getting too much. Yeah, this is already getting like way too much crowded. This app.main. I was trying to think, split it. So let's do it. So inside here, utils. Do we need to create a utils? I followed this my own personal architecture, which was what I would like to use it again. Content. Is it Amazon? I think that's Amazon. And inside here, we should be seeing routes. Yes. Okay, direct routes. Okay, no problem. We can just have it. Routes. And inside routes, we see what should we call like stream.go. I don't really have a perfect idea how did they do it. Let's see. Inside of we have the API.endpoint, and inside that we have basically all the things related. Oh yeah, this seems much neat. So package routes, and here we need to import. It's going to be auto imported anyways. We can directly write the function, and this should be it. Import all the necessary things, and then so app.post URLs, or we can have one URL or two URLs, doesn't matter. And then string. Oh, what the hell is that? That's the function. Yes. So let's write. Oh, this is already the. Oh, let's write API in here. Yeah, let's write API in here. API.go. We can basically have the same thing here. Yes, basically yes. And instead, this should be this one, and it should be. Deals. What is the function? What is the parameter we get? It is fibers CTX. We get the connection, we get the app. Okay. X. And then we can either have an error. Do we have an error? Yeah. What do we get in response? Basically nothing. If we have an error, that's fine. If not, yeah. Return, let's say error is going to be false. Okay, now what? So when I get the URLs, I need to get all the URLs in the payload or whatever it is. So I think I already have the code for it. Post deals, this is the like count, and then where is the C? What error generating the last used count? What I did here? This is mine. This is my code, and I can't really remember what I did. So I'm using body parser and then getting the map. Oh, I need to create a struct for this. Okay, type stream payload. Create a struct which has, well, basically nothing much. It's just URLs, and it will be a string of string. Yeah, that's it. Payload stream, and then if, yeah, error. Oh, body parser payload null. Yeah, invalid JSON, and then for each URL add this one. Yes, this function needs to be saying like handle post URLs. I think this is a better name. Handle post URLs. Yes. What's happening here? Undefined. It is defined here. Did I not import it? I did import it. Okay. So for each URL, what am I supposed to do? I need to basically inject these into my database. I need to call the function. So what am I doing now? I need to create two struct objects. First, I need to see if it's there or not. Okay, handle post, handle new URLs, or we can say this function, this API call is responsible for getting the URLs from me. It would just add 0 zeros for now. Yeah, probably. So where stream data equals to stat, ID equals to, for URL likes equals to 0, previous like 0, 0, 0. Should congratulate what the let's set it to false. And then error equals to insert stream data. Yes. I think this is the wrong utils. Where is my utils? Do I have to change the package name to something? I thought I can directly use the utils from here. Wait, I can't use utils from here? This is project my utils. This should be the right one. Why are two live streams simultaneously? So I wanted to try vertical and horizontal because vertical gives me more exposure to new viewers. There are more chances new people are going to come up to my stream, and once they like it, they can pop back to horizontal stream. That's my goal. So where are all the functions? Oh, insert stream data, and it should. Oh, there's another error. What is it? Assignment mismatch. One variable, but returns two. Okay. I don't need to update the stat. So we are not using this anymore, so ignore it. For each URL, it's going to add it. But how does it know if it inserts it or if it updates it? If it only has URLs, then that's what it's going to do. But if it has something else, that will be coming from the other one, so we can ignore that. What if it needs to fetch the previous one? Maybe I need a front end now. That would be easy at this point. It can track multiple things. I was thinking, is being tracked or is not being tracked? How can I know? I don't want to rewrite the same thing again. So we notice this. Hey, this is something else. Where is this stupid hard reset button? I think it's going to get into white mode. No, thankfully. So we see this. So our database has URLs. It has all sort of URLs: invalid, valid, active, not active. All these URLs. I need to define what URLs which are currently needed right now. Stream item likes, previous likes, max likes should congratulate. What should it be? What should it be? What should it be? Hmm. How would I pass in the database object? One second, guys. Okay, I'm so sorry. I was getting a message. Okay, now once. No. So yeah, let's first insert the database. Insert the data directly into this. Does it handle insert or replace? So it has the replace function. So if I pass in the same URL, it's going to send it to zeros. It's not what I want. So first, let's see if it has it or not. If a stream ID is already exist, do not replace. Return, ignore the insert operation, and return the data in the DB with marshaled info. Okay, select from all. What is it doing? I think a function like check stream ID exists will be a better option here. Okay, if it is exist, then yeah. So this needs to be changed for this one. And for here, let's add another function, that is this one. This saved me a ton of time. What next? In the main, we don't do anything else. We need to say like app. Upload use. Yes. Hey, what was it? How was I using it? Main. Yeah, this is what I need to use. Okay. Routes.app.routes. What routes is this? This is the one. And then we need to pass in the app. True. So we got the URLs. That's a good sign. What did I mess up? So once we get the URL, all we need to do is then pass in the information. If it first it checks if you already have the data. If not, it's going to ignore it. Nightcrawler, hey yo, we are vertical now. I am doing both vertical and horizontal. And the thing which I'm currently working on is to bring the Relangi Mama for vertical as well. So I really appreciate if you join my horizontal again so that I can have you tracked. I'm actually doubting my own thing. I don't think vertical is worth it for programming, or at least while programming. Maybe while gaming I can do vertical, but for programming I think horizontal is the same. Either ways, I'm not getting any viewers, so forget about it. Just enjoy the programming, man. Just enjoy the programming. What is this one? Nightly? Let's restart. So at this point we have this check this stream if already check stream is existing. So in the main now, we have a new URL and where I can pass in all the changes. Now when to delete it? Why that got triggered, I don't know. Yeah, that's another kiss command. You can try it if you have 100 points, I guess, to trigger the kiss command. Yes. But again, Nightcrawler, you are in the vertical stream. Vertical stream is not being tracked for chat commands. You need to come back to my horizontal stream. Go to my channel, switch to horizontal stream. Or do I have to like add in, the chat, like video URL for my vertical stream or horizontal stream? So I'll just add it here. Pin message. That should work. The moment you press it, you should be in my, horizontal stream. Hopefully. Let me try it in my phone myself. Press this. It looks like it doesn't work. Yeah, it looks like it doesn't work. Okay. There are two different streams. Exactly. Now you realized it. There are two different streams. Yes. And there is no way for me to mix two different streams because that's not how it works. I'm actually thinking maybe it's not a good idea. Hey, no, I got a like. Thanks for the like, man. Finally, 10 likes. Celebrate. Celebrate. Wonderful. Wonderful. So what am I doing right now? GG's to new celebrations. Yes, I was thinking to maybe add a few more dance animations and stuff like that. Hey, that costs 50 points, man. Careful now. You know the GIF commands, right? You know the GIF commands. The database is ready. I need to work on my front end and also link. Yeah, you cannot wait. When it's timing out, you can still waste your points. I think I specifically written a condition to not consider it. Timeout. We got the timeout. Got a bug? I don't think so. What are your points before the speak command? Oh, sorry, kiss command. Let's debug it. That seems to be more important than what I'm doing right now. So command cost and then speak, and else it is this one, and it takes the duration. If it is less than duration, it would not go there. You can see if it's not exclamation point. So you have 55 points. Hey Mahendra, welcome back, man. It's been a while. Yeah, I wasn't being consistent myself as well. So what you have? What 55? Can you try another? But you need 100 points in order to test it twice. I think I need a front end for my this, so that I can change the, what is it called, database myself easily. Don't you guys think? I think I should be able to change it. 11 likes feels good. Thank you. I think Mahinder, you are the one who liked. Thank you so much. Front end for back end. Yes, because I can't really modify my database myself. I need to send a post message or stuff like that, but even in that way, it would only raise 1 point. But I would like to have a front end. Should we do that now or should we do that later? Let's set up a challenge. In 1 hour, that needs to be done. I can use damn AI or whatsoever. So, did we put a stopwatch or something? Timer. Is it 1 minute or 1 hour? It's 1 minute. So, like, how can I like change it? I can't change it. Edit, yeah. Save. Cut. Okay, that's fine. Use Claude Sonnet 4. It's damn good at front ends. I don't need a fancy front end. It could be a simple application. That should be fine. What the hell is focus screen? Okay, let's decide. Framework. Do we need React? Well, with React, there would be a lot of room for me to play around, and AI would also know a lot of things instead of me using what. Yeah, let's go with React. It should be easy. Okay, let's start. Okay, inside my another is it going to be static? I don't think it's going to be. Yeah, it's basically single page static, but it's definitely not the static which you are referring to. I lost my internet. If you can see me, I think I'm back. I got a notification that it sucks. I don't know what's happening. The moment I'm closer to 11 p.m., I'm starting to lose my internet. It's like up and down. The web framework for content-driven websites. The hell is this? I need to do things fast. I don't know if I need to, do this now. But this is a static page. I'm not looking for a static page. So let's go. What is this new folder? What does this do? Basically nothing. Yep, Cloudflare is the best. I was using it yesterday and in my Flutter project. Oh, I really like Flutter. It's like one of the things I don't want to work with, but I like it. It solves a problem. Front end. Do I need to name it a front end or just name the function? Yeah, we need to speed up things. So what is the price of Claude? CLAUDE. What? Just show me the price, dude. Just show me the price, please. I don't want, pricing. Hey, this is reasonably cheaper than... Oh, billed annually. Okay. Okay. But can we sync this up with like Super Maven or stuff like that? Have those extensions. So can I sync it up? Open API key and then this one? No. Okay, let's not worry about it for now. Hey, I want to prepare for internships now. What are the top 3 React topics should I heavily prepare? Micro frontend if you want to. State management. Re-render issues. And then the core concepts of React. Like, I don't think anyone was using class-based, but they would really ask for pure functions, pure classes. Basically re-render things. So you need to learn things before React 16, and you also need to be learning about React 19, 18, or the newer versions. So know the differences. You will understand why things have changed. I think a lot of things has changed. Hey, what I was doing, wheat React. Get started. Class-based lol, I don't even read it once. There are class-based components in React. Of course, those are not really there anymore currently, but trust me, companies still use it. They don't really upgrade their projects that easily. We are still using Angular 12 or 14. I just completed my 6-week internships in Flutter. Hey, congratulations. OSS project, what the hell is that? Where is the React, vanilla, TypeScript? Okay, TypeScript TX and React TS. Ah, come on, man. Give me the wheat command for TypeScript, React, and Tailwind. Do I need Tailwind? I think I'm going to complicate things. Tailwind. Yeah, Tailwind is a pain in the ass to set up. Okay. But where is the... Okay, my app is the name. Okay. My bad. Did it just mess this up? Okay. It's just 2 steps. That's the reason I stream, man. We can all share, knowledge. Hopefully I share my knowledge too. Where is the installation? Docs, yeah. Okay, this one. It is still the same. Using wheat. Yeah, we can use this. My project, and then basically start a project and then install this. Okay. I would front end. Yeah, do whatever you want, man. It should be React and it should be TypeScript. Yeah, that's done. And then ls cd front end, and then it needs to have this one. And by that is done, I need to go to this file. Okay, still downloading. I know it's not complicated. I have used Tailwind. I love it. But it took me hours to set it up with Hugo. And I finally gave it up because of those like post CSS. What is that? Post CSS? Yeah, this one was painful to work with. Where is the wheat config? So let's open ls code.com and then change our profile from this one to React. And inside here we should be seeing wheat config, and what are the things we're saying? Okay. Wait a minute. Okay, there needs to be one more, or yeah, looks like there needs to be one more. Inside is CSS. Add an import in your CSS file that imports Tailwind. But where is the damn import CSS? CSS? This one? Is this the main CSS or is this one the one? I think this is the one. So import Tailwind. Do I have to write it in somewhere else? Okay, start your binding process, and then inside the complicated head file we need to do this. Okay. Oh, I can just add it here inside. Where is the CSS file which is being loaded here? Nothing. Okay, I understood. File.css, and inside this let's write this one and save it, and then inside index.html let's link it up. Is it in src? Yes. Bro, what are you trying to do? I'll get to it. I will get to it. I'll get to it, trust me. I exactly you exactly did that. But it's fine. These are like one-time things, so I don't really mind doing this like for one-time thing. Totally fine. That's the thing, man. Setting it up is, but again, I understand that this needs involve these many steps because this is a completely different package. This is a completely different package. We need to get it worked, so it needs some work. Hopefully this works. If not, okay. I can't really update my Node.js right now. Okay, let's update it. Not CMD, stupid. Do I have NVM? Yes. I think latest should work fine. Wait, 24 is the latest? I don't really want to use 24. I have other applications like Playwright, stuff like those are still dependent on. Oh yeah. LTS is yes. V22. Yes. 22. Hey, how can I set it like 22? 22? No? How can I define the version? Or LTS, yes. Finally. I was about to blow all my packages. Okay, nvm use 22.18.0. Let's do it. And node, let's close this terminal formally and then open a new one. Node.v. It's still 20. We need virtual env node. We don't really. It's fine. That solves one problem and then brings up another problem. And node use. Sorry. NVM use 20. What was the other one? NVM use. There should be something like this. NVM use 22.18, 0. Time is passing really fast. Why there are two terminals? Still not changing it. Now you're using this one, but it still shows this one. Current display the active version, and then this one on. Isn't it? There should be a easier way to like default. Switch to the use as optionally use latest or LTS newest to the latest install version. Optionally specify the architecture. Oh my god. Maybe this is not enabled before. Okay. Use NVM use 22.18.0. Why is it still using 20? I don't even have 20 if you notice. Why is it still using 20? Oh my god, okay. Does it work in PowerShell? Yeah. Okay, I know how to fix this stupid path things. Okay. We should see where is the damn path. Where is the damn path here? And where is the Node.js? Do you guys see it? There is two Node.js. Yeah, there are like two Node.js. One is here and one is here. There are two. Okay, let's go and see if that's the path. I wanted to fix it. Let's pause it. You know, this thing doesn't really involve in development. I wasted 15 minutes trying to set up a stupid thing. And you were talking about like, hey, Tailwind is easy. Node.js and what version we have. This is basically 2023. The title should, let's see how many things I break in an hour. Dude, why? Where did I break things? These things are not working. Where is NVM installed? We have the NVM here. It's in program data. And we see the versions here. So we can just change this to this version. Oh, I added all my versions possibly. Okay, so install this stupid latest version. I don't need it. So this is the version I need to update. I don't really want to use it. Delete. Okay, okay, okay. Now it should work, man. Come on, do something. Post some gifs, man. You guys are so lazy. You guys are like very lazy. Let me do it myself. It's loading. That's that. That's not the one I was asking for. Huh? Even I don't have 5 points. Man, I need that front end fast. I need that front end fast. So now I have this. Let's see if it turns on or not now. Of course, I need a new terminal, and it should say nvm run dev. Did it work? Okay, close it and open it again. I do know how to fix these things. I do know how it is brutal. Yeah. But once I have my front end, I can fix it. Hopefully this works. This should work now. The version. Yeah, now it's working. I see the tailwind is also working fine. We can see. Perfect. Okay, let's go. Chromium. This is the browser. This is like the output browser. That's fine. Now let's go to VS Code and start digging. Hey. So I'm not going to refactor or stuff like those. I'm just going to maintain like a plain code just so it works. So what I'm going to do now is inside the app, use effect. Use effect and get load users info. Let's create a pages. Let's create pages. Inside pages, we need what do we need? We need points. User points. I'm thinking about an architecture now, which is not what should I, which is what not I, this is not what I'm supposed to do now. But let's see. Looks like all users.tsx. React function export component. React function export component. I think this is the one. Yes, and then it should get all users. Use effect. Okay, and it should basically load users. Constant load user async, and I'm getting interview vibes. Yeah. Whatever it is. Yeah, fetch. My database is hosted inside another URL. Hey, do you know what port it is running on? I need to keep a track of all my ports. It's probably should be 3000. Yes. I'm directly connecting to my, prod database. Should I do that? It's fine. Did I not write export? Stupid. What is the get you all users? Does it respond with all users, or is it just going to? Yeah, it returns all users. Okay. Plus, normally I set it in this way. Export constant URLs or endpoints. All users is going to be base URL plus all users. Okay. This is best possible way for me. I just need to write like all endpoints and then press all users. This is wonderful. And hey, do I need to do all these, man? Okay, data equals to JSON and log JSON. I don't know if it works or not. So users, this is all users, and inside main, let's remove all these for now. We don't need it, and just say all users. What? Just see, where is it? Am I getting a network error or something? All users. Did I get a payload? Yep, I got a payload. Okay. All users is being populated, and inside here, what is it? What am I supposed to do? All users, and yeah, we need to save the data inside JSON. Okay. What is the model for user? What is the model for user? Do you know what is the model for user? Stat user. Hey, I don't have a model for user. At message, I should have a model struct, not model but struct. Maybe inside database I have it. Yeah, looks like it. Okay. Is that industry gate architecture? This is my comfortable architecture. I just use it. Convert to a TypeScript version of this. Ah. I don't follow damn industry standards, bro. I find it this is a reasonable version. Other developers I work with, like what team of 20 to 30 developers, they all understand my code. No complaints so far. So I don't need base URL now. I need the endpoints. With this, this is what my intention is. Everything needs to be segregated. If I need to change the URL, I need to change it at one place, and everything should work fine. That's what I usually go for. This might take 5 more minutes than usual, but it's worth it. I need a use state. Hey, why is it going up there? Users and set users. Can I like not have it, please? Yeah. Do you know how can I define a type? Yes. Okay, now we have all users. Now what? User.map index, yes, and then the key should be indexed. I always give your keys for the divs. It is must and should. Am I missing something? There is a stupid syntax, I guess. Okay, user.index, and then we do not write a return statement, do we? Do we write a return statement? Ah, my God. Print out. Give me a flex box for each user and side by side. I need at least like I need a flex box of row, and it can wrap because of many users, and I need a search input so that I can find the user. It needs to search based on username as I type. That's important. Input box at top, and then list out all the users and filter in them based on the input text. It would start hallucinate if I give it more. What? Okay. Just for now, I wasted 15 minutes trying to set up that stupid thing anyway, so you can use Tailwind. Okay, it's doing something. It's doing okay. The search text, yes, and then what? Can I think I need to maintain like filter users, yes, and then basically needs to re-render the whole case. Yeah, looks like it. Fine. Oh, it doesn't know the type. User dot name. Do I have a username? Yes. I don't have an email, bro. What is the other? Oh, it's the ID. I don't have the ID. I think I need to have user ID. Yes. Where is the UI? Some error, probably. Cannot read the property of undefined tool over. Why is it undefined? It needs to be there. Oh, why it has a capital names inside it. Okay. How can I convert it to all caps? Give me by having the first letter in caps. I didn't mean that in that way. Okay. Also give me the fixed interface. Okay, thank you so much. By the time it fixes all those, no, it works fine. Okay. The date needs to be fixed. Obviously, that's not the proper date. Date join, yes, and it should be join date, and it should be having points. I thought it fixed all these. I didn't know keys are like case sensitive. Profile picture, and then file picture. So far so good. Obviously the profile pictures would not work because we are loading from localhost. YouTube kind of smart with that. I don't know why this is not working. Use join date. It should be there. Yeah, string, and then it should work. But we can ignore that for now. We don't need join date. Okay, now what? I have 2 points. So now what I need to do is I need to click it, change the model, press save. That's it. Okay. Use it. Components. Inside here we write. What is that one? Hey, college is going. Hey, don't go, man. Okay. Have fun at your university. 30 more minutes. Yes. I need search. I need click it. I need to go to the user and then change the points. Basically, that's it. That's what I wanted to change. How can I do it quickly? Normally I need to open a model and then like do that in that way. Can I like have like an input here. Hey Mahendra, you're still here. Okay. Let's create a model. What is the fastest way to create a model in React? And I hate models. I don't want models. But models would look fine. My professor to odd me out? I didn't understand. So yeah, the moment I click on a user, I need a model to open so that I can change the points. Nice. Normally there should be an open model, set new. Okay, user. Where is the model, dude? Okay, this is the model. Does it look fine? I have no idea. Okay, so far so good. Does it's still using, I think it's still using the older usernames. No, so it's using the bigger usernames, so that's fine. Hello AI, what's wrong? Okay, I have the data somewhere, it's fine. All I need to do is fix the styling. So the model needs to be black, but how can I set the transparency? How can I set the transparency? Tailwind, background, color, transparency. I don't know how to spell it. There should be like a cheat code or something. Yeah, right here. Does it have anything? 50 opacity. Okay. Is this opacity? Oh, BG opacity. I don't know what that is. Probably that might not be working. Okay, whatever it is. So where are the points? So firstly, I'm not getting username. So above points, I need the username. Maybe I'm not setting the color for it. So text should be, oh, 1 second, black. Yeah, now it makes sense. Okay, and inside here, so endpoints, username, text should be black. Then I need edit for Anton, and then the points. How can I set the class for this one? Class text should be black. Okay, that makes sense now. So when I open this, nothing needs to be clickable. Where is the model div? This is the model div. Basically nothing can be clickable. Yes, and then we need a, I'm not going to do like box shadow and stuff like this. Once it updated, I need to update the state, pull the new information. So when I press save, one click, save points. So set users, previous dot map. Okay, user is equal to user ID, and then set the points equals to new points. Yes. Close model. Okay, exactly 9 a.m. I'll start working on my project to add a new functionality in my application with you online. Oh, perfect. 1000 save, and I saved it. Yes, makes sense. Okay. So this is kind of fine. I need to send a post request now to my backend, but I don't think I have. Can I have it? Where is it? Main.go database, user database. This is what stream assistant, and then we need main.go, yes, and then we have database. One second, guys. So get user ID, instant user, update user. So this is the function which is what user AI use, and we can see I'm hard adding +1. That is not really possible for us. We need to add it somewhere else. Delete user, print all user. So I might need to write another function then. Function manually update user. That's the new user object. So whenever I get the user and if not my option, and then update the user JSON to where user ID equals to this one and this one. But should I revert back the changes? Just for my safety, imagine I updated a user. Can I revert back? Can I get the user ID previously? Normally I can maintain another, I think I'm making it way too complicated than what I need to have. Yeah, because I didn't really have a function to, update the user profile. I had an update user, but that would only update the points to +1. It is perfect for my bot use case, but in order to manually do it, I might need to do it properly. So with this, I might need to restart my backend anyways. So let's work on the backend first. And I might need to continue in the next stream, because if I restart, all my streams are going to be broken. So what am I doing? Yep. So in the API, what I'm going to do now is manual update user and app.update user. No. Handle update user. Okay. And inside here, we create a new file, user.go. Package routes. Then I don't care about import function, handle update user. See, it's a connection. Then yes. Utils dot manually update user, and it should be getting the. Well, we need the data from the front end, isn't it? User where user equal or utils dot user. If the body parser equals to the user, then invalid JSON, and then save the new JSON. Yes. Okay, does it return something? Oh, it doesn't return an error. Error updating user. So yeah, this seems fine for now. We can test it with the local database. Totally fine. I can just copy from my Raspberry Pi and paste it here. I have this much time more. Can I change it to like add 15 more minutes, because I lost 15 minutes there? What do you mean undefined? I have it here. Okay, the moment I get it, I need to do this. But let's add some security so that bad people like you guys cannot use it. Basic auth. I already added this implementation in another project. I'm going to take a reference to it. Hey, this is a good part, man. When we work with multiple projects, we can just take an inspiration from that, and it should work fine. So middleware, yes. I need to basically copy all this. Maintain routes. Is it inside routes? Yes. Middleware. I don't know how to spell it properly. That should be it. Do I need an env and env file? Why? Oh. What did I have here? 1 second, guys. Let me see this. Where am I using this for? Yes. Okay, looks like we need it then. What was the package which I'm using? 1 second, guys. Please. Starts with this one, and then this is the exact same thing I'm using, but I don't know why this is not being. Okay, the env files are updated. Let me go back. Sorry, guys. Okay. So we have the database here. Why not just update that or use that instead of the front end so that I can test it properly? Probably the wrong URL, I guess. I think it's 129, not the other way around. Oh yeah, it's 129, not 190, 129, yes. This is updated or what? Not calling any API call or something. Did I close the terminal by any chance? No. This is a message thing. How much time would it take me to to start building on React Native? We have to submit a project in 7 days. It would take 2 days to like set it up, then start working. If you know React, then it's going to be easy. And again, learning to build a project will take 1 day. Final API, but it's doable in 7 days. I learned React Native in like 2 to 3 days without knowing React. Actually, I started React Native first and then came to React. It's doable. Don't worry. It's easy. Use Expo. Do not go outside Expo. Use Expo. Stick to Expo. If you want to do it with less than 7 days, go to Expo. Expo is a wonderful thing which happened to React Native. Sorry. I don't think this is working. This is not the terminal. I'm not seeing any console logs or any network calls. Why? Hey, something's odd. I changed the URL here. I don't see anything. Search by username. Maybe let's try expanding the name to something. Username. Width. What is it? What is MD? If that is updating, then cool. I'll use Expo then. Do not even try not using Expo. Just stick to Expo. That thing will work awesome for you. And again, what is your core things which you want to do? What are the important stuff? Is this being called or what? Hey, I'm not seeing anything, man. I'm not seeing any. No, I'm seeing something. Okay. Failed to load users, failed to fetch. Let's see. No user, no table as users. Why? I have to integrate SDKs. It's a loan app on Web3. Well, it's an app. I mean, what are you trying to integrate? Do you need like a core level, information? Expo works fine, like camera, audio, file downloads. It works fine. But if you want to go like much deeper than that into Android, then Android Studio is the only way. It's like if you try to use React Native, you need to drop Expo first, and then go to raw React Native. Then the moment you start doing it, you will realize, am I doing like Android Studio stuff? Then you realize maybe it's better to just directly use Android Studio instead of React Native. So it's layers, how deep you want to go into Android. But again, it would take a lot more time to do with Android Studio. But with React Native, you can work on web as well as on Android at the same time. With Expo, I mean. It says no such table found. Then it's fine. You're ultimately like happy with Expo. Go use it. Hey, it's very annoying. It works fine in my prod, but it not works in my local. No such table. What do you mean no such table? Can I get a better errors than this? Which line? Probably. I think it's compile language, so I don't think it's possible. What? This is a must-have function, I guess. Then okay, and then where is the Golang project? Jadu mantar, mantar. Oh yeah, Yoji. So we need to go to, where is it? Constants, and then database, and get all users, and it needs to get users. There needs to be a table with users. Is it what it's trying to complain? Yeah, stupid private and this one. Okay, let's see now. This is the final step. So probably this is not the function which is giving me error then. So the function query failed. What is else? What is else is failing? Okay, API, we get the URLs, update URL is not the one, and then constants, that's we can save it. Then what exactly is happening? It's failed again. I wish it can tell me which API is failing. Okay, we can dig down deep. Okay, we go here all users and then we return all users. This is the function. I thought this is the one. This is where we are failing it. But then log fatal. Let's see. Go dump error. Hey, this is where I'm getting the error then. Okay. What? There's no user. Why? So this is a DB. It says what? No such table users. I have not changed it. It is work. If it is working in prod, it should work in this as well. Probably. Is it possible? Where's my database? Here is the database, and inside here we create a function connection db, and then db.executes user db, and then creates a user. Did I have like old table? If so, I got a file in my Raspberry Pi. I need to copy that to Windows. Let's copy the user DB from my prod. Reliable ways. Come on, do it fast, man. Oh, Venus BB. I don't want. Can I copy using like remote? Remote. If I can copy directly from here, that would be great. No. Maybe I miss. Okay, looks like it connected to the host. Okay. Open folder, stream assistant. Then yeah, it's fine. Is it opening or not? Can I copy? Can I copy from VS Code SSH? In the meantime, I can just try using it. I don't know how to find the path. Okay, once I have it, I can just make it quick. Home, Kunda, or Sridham. Okay, ls, PD alerts. Oh, it's in the. Wait a minute. There is two user DBs, I guess. User db.db is the file I need. Come on. Update it. I don't need a path for it. Okay. It's in PowerShell. Yeah, it's PowerShell. I can place it in C, and then this is the one. Change it to 10.0.0.236. That's a good sign. Permission denied. Okay. Is it in the admin mode? Yes, it is. That's copied. Perfect. Now let's go and basically take it and paste it in here. Do I not had it until here? What is it called? Air. Okay, so far so good. And this is the commands list I have. So far so good. Should be it. Still not working. It says no such user table found as users. Why? I have the table right here. Did I miss something? Skill logic. No such no such table. Users. It's that is not possible. Online SQLite file explorer. Not this one. Sorry. There is table user. There is definitely the table user. What is the problem here? So get user by data. Get all users. So this is where the problem is. Select user ID, user JSON from user. Is it still looking for like this one instead of the other one? Oh yeah, we can see the DB is being populated. Okay. All right. Let's change it to something else. How can I properly do it? There needs to be in a different package. They cannot be in the same package. That's the problem. Okay. So user database, and then there should be stream database. So I would just move this file to here. It would break a lot many things, but it's fine. Now we can see all these files needs to be changed to something else. Change. I don't think I need to change all this. All I need to do is the set db. Yeah, that's the thing. That's the thing. Okay, that's done. Oh, stat. Yeah, I need to import the stat. So where is it? Stat imported utils dot stat. Does it fix any, or is it still giving me errors that fixes something? And there is stream. It is like stream database dot insert stream. That's fine. In the main class as well, this needs to be changed from stream database. That's fine. Okay, now what? Okay, so far so good. I do a refresh. Things are working fine. Finally, okay. Database, what is it called? Address issue. Yes. Do this, I change it. Now I need to update the database. So what are the things that needs to be updated? Okay. Constants database. This is the database. Inside here we can have, what is the thing we can have? Modifications. It should be a map of this one. All right, we need to pass in something like this, and it should be basically null. Okay, that's expected. So far so good. When what I'm trying to do is, if I modify points, I need to have a record that I have assigned some points to him. So where is it? User database, stream database, and then inside API routes, handle user, and then updated user. It's going to take the data. So I need to do this properly. In Golang, how can I do this? I need I will have the user ID and the modified properties. Can be points or something else, and I will send that in the payload. How can I handle that in Golang so that it will create a new object, but it will change the properties? Is for only things which are changed. Receive JSON approach one user interface. Okay, what that is? Make updates, and then it will basically get all the updates, and then updates all user. What the hell is this? Missing user ID. Okay, and then load existing data from the DB. Okay, merge for key value pair. Do I need to write in this way? Extreme. Isn't it way too extreme? Okay, let's do that with the this is my struct, and I need to like add modifications. Okay, it's done. Dismiss. To add modifications, the for every user who received, I think that's way too much. We can ignore it. You cannot bind directly into the struct because Go will fill missing fields with zero values and override the good data. That's exactly. Approach 1, use the patch struct with pointers. What? That way, if the JSON omits a field, it stays nil, so you know not to touch it. Example handler. Oh my god. Parse the value and then apply the updates. Why do I need to manually write each if condition? There should be another way. Okay, use reflections or walk through the struct dynamically and copy non-nulls. That should be easy. Reflection based merge. So what is distinct value and source value? For each number field, merge all non-null fields from src into dict. Okay, and then we see this merge null and then okay. Kind of what I wanted. Not really like the secure, type manner, but it works fine. Purely private function, and then we need to create like payload. Why do I need that one? Can I assign like extend something like that? Okay. Can I have like extend struct so that if I modify the struct of user, I need to get warnings or errors? If not, I'm totally done. I said I don't want manually. Okay. Compile time. Use the code generation recommended for big projects. But you only define user and generate the automatically with all the p fields as pointers. What? Now update user payload will always mirror user. If you add any fields, option 3 just exactly not I want. Go to changes, go with code gen. What exactly is this? Code gen Golang. Go code gen, a simple code generation system, is a simple template based code generation system for Go by annotating structs with a simple type command interface. Okay, for example, works by building a catalog of available code templates and then an anonymous field on a struct whose type matching a template name will be invoked with a struct that provides information about the struct that the template is being invoked upon. Note that hello command does not have must execute. Yes. Hello command needs to have cmd template invoked upon it. By mixing in cmd, we tell go codegen so. Created a new file called cmd.temple in the same package. Okay, this seems a bit more advanced topics for me. Use code generation recommended for big projects. You can define Main new file. What the hell? Embedded for compile time tracking. If you remove a field in user but forgot to update this one, you won't get an error immediately, but at least you have a user embedded in your ID or enter can show references. Downside. Still manual things for pointer field. I think that should be fine. That should be fine. So the problem is we can see it won't know it. What happens if I don't give my username? Hey Harish, hey, I'm so sorry I'm not reading the chat. Oh my god. Okay. Alali Sad, welcome. I'm so sorry I didn't read your messages. I was really deep inside this. You guys must hate me now. Nathan, welcome to the stream. Yeah, while reading the code, I think it's better to not stream like this version. I was just trying to get a better reach. That's it. Don't hate on me, bro. I was just trying to get better reach. I was almost done anyways. Let's stop it. I think it's not really worth it to do vertical streams for programming. But I saw other programming streamers. They were getting some decent viewers. That's the point. So let's see. These are the new two streams. Okay, and we can see this one's supposed to be, I think this one's the vertical, I guess. So total 173 views. Still loading. Which one is this one? Live viewers is 4, yeah. So this one has 1,111. You aren't reading the chats in short. So the thing is, I was having two different monitors and I was so involved with the program, I totally forgot that I'm streaming. It's my fault. Totally my fault. So you see this? I get a little bit more viewers than if I stream horizontal. You can see horizontal, I get these many viewers. No, they both are completely different streams. They will not be merged. That's how it is. So this one has more viewers. Obviously, we can see the average duration is less than this one because obviously it's a short form. People don't really care about much. But I would like to do that. So I was thinking. So you can see I was getting like new viewers. These are absolutely new viewers. Of course, chat rate is low because the see in the stream and then basically skip it. And then comes this. I got 10 viewers at this point. I have no idea. See, I was thinking I would stop the idea of streaming vertical while programming. Maybe when I'm gaming, I can probably. What do you think? So this is what I was trying to do, is there any way to link, like, what is it called? Extend the struct from one struct to another struct. So that if one struct changes, this needs to change. I mean, I really think TypeScript types is a lot more better than Golang types, at least for IDE and developer experience. If I change there, it would complain here as well. So let's see how it works. So if I go to user and remove user ID points, will it show me something? Oh, I don't think that's possible. Okay then. As expected, it won't show anything. So it won't show me right away, but maybe it can show me later on the runtime. We'll have to see. So I don't trust my own self of remembering what I do. What is this yellow icon? Show code actions. What does it do? Modify using, I know. So command outlet. So if I miss something here, what will happen? If I miss points, and then I basically merge, I am supposed to get an error, but we'll see. So what now is, this is Go server. I don't need it for now, I guess, but we'll see. Team assistant, this is not needed, and then all users. So what I'm supposed to do is select user, set new points, save points. If selected users, previous state, and then we need to assign await fetch. Would call would be better. A put call would be better, and then in the put body selected user. It is updating the entire user. I don't want it, so user ID new points. Yes, perfect. Then it should be an async function, and after this, then response. Was not okay, and then console log user successfully console.log response. This is my ultimate and put selected user, and then okay, let's see what I'm getting inside the body parser. So where is it? Not here. Inside here, API middleware. I'm again closing this chat window. Because of that, I cannot see the chat. Middleware app stream. No, main.go constant. Close all these and then just go to api.go. Handle. What is it called? Console.log payload. No. Go dump payload. That is, once that is ready, I can just change my own points. 200. Save. I think I messed it up. Method not allowed. Why? Oh, I forgot. Okay. Where is the URL? Endpoints. Yes. Modify. What was the URL I set it to my backend? Update user. Base URL update user. Yes. And that needs to be called yes, update. Okay. Work fine now. Let's see. Did I not update in the front end or what? Yeah, update user. It is still sending me the old payload. Did it crash for some reason or what? It says user updated successfully.
Siddhant OTA says, hello Vijan.
Hey Siddhant, welcome back, man. Thanks for using the speak command. Welcome back. So payload, this is something, and we can only say this one, and we see the dump. It says the points is 200. Ping, 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 ping. I didn't get any kind of error. I didn't get any warning. I didn't get anything. This is stupid. This is so stupid. What did I get in the backend? Rest of the things are same. Yeah, luckily that's fine. I don't think I can change anything other than points, so let's deal with it. It can be of any of these values. Looks like I'm stuck with this. Okay. 200. I press save. Did I get any valid response or what? Failed to fetch. Why? Oh, I see something. Indirection through nil pointers to embed struct. What the hell is that? Is it because of go dump for some reason? Okay, let's not use go dump and no in payload. Manually update. This is the payload and user merge user. After it's being merged, what is it being doing? We are saving the user, so let's print go dump dot user. 15 more minutes. Hey, something happened here. I make a refresh and I see 200. Yes, so that means it's working. So if I don't give it here, it should not be updated. So whatever the fields I would like to update, those will be here. Well, let's say if I change it to 202 again, save. User has been updated. We can see 2, press 2. Yes. And what else? No, I think it's working fine now. 10 more minutes and I can push this. Hey, let's add basic authentication. Let's add basic authentication. Middleware basic auth. So inside here, I need to create like an input. How did I do that for the other stuff? Coding, Amazon Auto, frontend, open VS Code, open this here. If I'm not reading your chat, please use the speak command. If you feel like I'm not reading your chat, please use the speak command. I'm using Atom for it. There's only one file anyway, so I'm going to like API. Okay, I see the API token, and then we need to pass the token, I guess. So let's see, how did I do that here? Where did I have it? Inside utils? I need to call this function in this way, app.tsx all users. Yep. Did I not export it? Hmm. Export endpoints dot update user. So it should be a put, and body should be a body should be the string, something like that. No, why would that be string? Whatever it is, if this is working, I would just take it as it is. Then we can just connect these properties with this one. So the put statement, we see all these and we see the token, and now we have to go back to the front end and see the middleware API. We need to have a basic authentication here. So all we need to do is add this one and it should be good. Let's see if it works or not. I should not be able to update my user if I'm not authorized. 20. Press save. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Save. Failed to fetch. Why? What's the problem? Failed to fetch. Missing something. If I have some more time, so that's no problem. All users, this is the one. I see this. Catch API error. This is the one. API error for path. 1, 2, 3, 4. Change it to 20. Save. Has been blocked by course policy. Request from. Oh, okay. It's not allowed. I think I need to change the headers. Does anyone know where did I have my headers? Where is the headers? Where is the headers? And API, yes. Yes. Let's now set the course for the first time. Main.go, and now we should be seeing whoever is watching the stream. If you're new to the channel, consider dropping a message. I'm not asking for likes, just have a conversation. Now inside there should be all users. Am I not using course? Yeah, I'm using course. So here, this was the one I previously had, and it should have a token. X API. I think this is the one. Do I need to capitalize it? I want to smaller. I'm using small API, so that should be fine. So formal refresh 20 0, press save, and API token not found. Okay, that's expected. Okay, do this, 404, save. Unauthorized. Why? Where did I get this API from? Oh, okay. Now that makes sense. So all users. Where's the damn HTML for this? It should be password, and we should not be showing this. Yeah, I just wanted to see the length of it. Okay. I have no idea what is my token environment, so give me one moment. I would see it myself. Okay. Changing it to 2 or 23. No, 400. What is the meaning of 400? Rebuilding again, so make a formal refresh. I do this and set it to 23 token. Okay, I need to set the token first. No caps, that should be fine. 23. Save. Add request. Localhost 3000 update user. Probably I need to change this one to allow everything that is allowed. I'm not getting any errors. What is the meaning for this? Update user. Payload. Yeah, that's expected. In response is invalid, Jason. Headers, this is the one I am giving. Yes. Then what? I have the API here, then that means that should be fine. And in the basic auth, this is the new header, and it says unauthorized by X API token, so that I can know that it was me who it got unauthorized. If not, I cannot really tell. This bad request. Error for path update user. What does it want? Put update user. What am I sending? Exactly the same. Update user. Okay, formal refresh. Then set it to 25. Save. No error again. Error path here. API error 401 at gateway. I no idea. What is this one? 49459. Does it mean something in 459? Handle update user. Where am I printing these? 459. I totally forgot it. This is not the, definitely this is not the one. So this is not the function call. Probably something else is being printed here. 4949. Or did I have anything inside print statements? There is nothing being printed here. Okay, I run out of ideas. If anyone know what I'm doing wrong, just let me know. That's the exact same thing which I'm doing. Not the problem. I was just checking my tokens. That's the right token. No problem with tokens. Now I don't know what's wrong. Right, it's almost 12:30. We will try one more. Let's see if the token is the issue here. I am not even getting to that response, so that means something is happening even before the API. What are the changes I did in main.go? We have routes, this one, this one, this one, connection, and then I just allowed this. Am I supposed to do something else? Content length, okay, I added those. Static app.config, media output. That's the same. Probably I'll add this one just to see if, just to see if I receive any path or not. And then it must go to the this path. Routes. Get, post, put, delete. Those are all the what is it called? Those are all the endpoints I'm trying to use. And then origin, accept content type authorization, yes, content length, false, not major changes or issues. Let's run the last test. 35 3035 35, doesn't matter. Did it get that API at least? Okay, I am getting the API. Update user. Okay. That means something else is happening here. Should I place it somewhere else? I don't think that's the problem. Inside API routes, we see update user, and then that goes to the basic auth middleware. And right here, the issue exists. I don't have any print statements until here, so let's like print println in middleware, just to see if I'm probably coming to middleware or not. I am not in middleware so far. I'm not even getting inside middleware. If I'm not going inside middleware, The only last option I see is probably moving this up a few lines. Other than that, I don't see any other change required, but let's see. After the use static, those are the things I'm defining. Again, it's a compiled language that shouldn't be mattered much. Nope, not working. Update user. I'm missing, definitely I'm missing something. There's API error, path update user, API error 400. Definitely means something which I am unable to understand. Okay, final question, ask for AI. I'm getting this log. Oh. No logs after this. And in front end, I get, what is it? What is that I get? 400. I wasted like almost 20 minutes. What? HTTP headers are case sensitive, but fiber is or seriously. Token.get is case sensitive. Try printing right before. Does anyone know? Defer is supposed to be executed first or last? Nothing's happening. Still the same. Nothing's happening. Wait a minute. I don't see my token at all. Probably it's in here. Yes. Okay. If it's looking for small, according to that, either this is the one and then so fix the header to get with this one. In inspect, I see small x API. I should clarify something. So you actually need that one? I don't think so. This is hallucinating now. This is hallucinating. Print headers. So this differ needs to be executed when? I do not see any recovered panic. Okay, if the pan doesn't header is missing, when the header is missing but fiber already installed its own panic recover by default. Dude, This is absurd. This is definitely absurd. So I see this token coming from my inspect. I don't think this should be case sensitive, because in my other project this is exactly working as expected. Should there be another use case then? So if I don't give the middleware, I make a refresh, edit my formality, and then I press 22, press save. Even now it is not working. Response invalid JSON. This is the JSON I have. What do you mean invalid JSON? I'm missing something stupid. I'm definitely missing something stupid. Let's see. It has to be something between these lines. Has to be something between this one. 220. Press save. It's blocked because of the header, I guess. So now if I remove the header in the front end, this is in the front end, I'm adding the header myself. API. This is the header. Should I add something else instead? Let's see, middleware dot zero, and then this is the exact same code I have. That is working, then this should also work. But why wouldn't that work? Oh, we are already stringifying it. If body, then stringify it. Okay, we are already stringifying it. My bad. I think I found the issue. I think I have found the issue. All users, and it should be. So I shouldn't be needing to do a stringify again. So let's see. And then what? Keep them there. Is it updated? Probably. 99. No, it's still not updated. Okay. Oh, I know why this is the issue. So we have to go here and set the API. Expected. I have executed this few many times, and then we should see it. Failed to update the user in promise. What's the issue? What? It is updated successfully. Throw error if response is not okay. What do you mean? What am I getting in the response? Probably I'm not returning a proper response. Handle user return status okay. This is what I'm doing. Update user successfully. Oh, this is the one, update state stats. User updated, user manually updated successfully. Let's see the middleware now. Inside API we need to do this. by the time that is ready. Let's refresh. 22. I'm changing it to 2020. Let's set it to I don't know if this is the right one or not, but let's see. 0. Save. Okay, that saved fine. We are getting an error, but that's a different story. We see, hey, it's working. Okay. Okay, middleware has been fixed. The problem was being bad data being sent to the front end. But the other problem is, why am I not getting a status? Update. It's gone. So it should be 360. Press save. That's the one. I'm getting a status 200. I am getting a status 200, and that shouldn't be the case. Then response, am I printing response here? Not printing response, okay. Response, what would I get here? If it is not okay, then throw the error. Or response as T. Oh, this is not possible. Catch error, console log is failed. If it is failed, then do not do it. Do this one. State. Also update the state only when there is a successful information. Okay, final test, boys. Final test. Okay, I'm changing my points to 35 something. Press save. Okay. Is the backend happy? The backend seems to be happy. I press refresh and I see the updates. Done. All right. Tomorrow I'll be deploying my code to the to my production server, but I will be doing that off stream. Come on, bro, do the SQL injection. it is working fine now. It is working fine now. My API wouldn't listen to your request. If hey, Barack Obama, welcome to the stream. You seem new. This is what I'm currently working on. I'm working on Golang Mama. The work is still in progress. The API, or you can see the board, is working absolutely fine. It's just I cannot assign points myself. You imagine, let's say you joined and I want to give you like, so let's say 50 points. I can't do it, but now I should be doing it. But I will deploy my application to my prod or my server, which is Raspberry Pi, tomorrow. Before the stream, I'll deploy it so that the stream won't have any issues. But until then, see you tomorrow. Peace. Bye bye. Thanks for joining. Hope you subscribe. So I have you on the database now, Barack Obama. If I refresh you, I should be seeing you. Hey, look who it is. All this thing is done by the bot Golang Mama. It knows that you're new. If you use any commands, that will also be tracked. This is me, and I use these many commands, and we can see I use GIF command for 18 times, and Siddhant has used GIF for one speak command 6 times. Same way. We can track all the changes. All right. If you like, subscribe or drop a like. If not, join tomorrow. Drop a feedback. Until then, see you next stream. Peace.